Former President Trump warned Friday that there will be big trouble if the Supreme Court does not rule in his favor on his eligibility for the 2024 presidential ballot. The Supreme Court is set to hear the Colorado case after the state Supreme Court determined last month that Trump should not be on the state's primary ballot due to his involvement in the January 6 insurrection. "I just hope we get fair treatment," Trump said at an Iowa rally Friday. "Because if we don't, our country's in big trouble. Does everybody understand what I'm saying?" Trump also complained of Democrats casting doubt on the court because Trump appointed 3 of its justices, claiming that they are attempting to put undue political pressure on the court's decisions. They're saying, "Oh, Trump owns the Supreme Court, he owns it. He owns it. If they make a decision for him, it will be terrible. It'll ruin their reputations," he said. "He owns the Supreme Court. He put on 3 judges. He owns the Supreme Court. If they rule in his favor, it will be horrible for them. And will protest at their houses. That puts pressure on people to do the wrong thing. What they're doing is no different than Bobby Knight," he continued, referring to the legendary college basketball coach famous for raucous arguments with referees. The Colorado case argues that Trump's actions surrounding the January 6 Capitol riots fall under the 14th Amendment's insurrection clause, which disqualifies those who have engaged or assisted in insurrection against the country from holding office. Any Supreme Court decision will likely also put to bed the issue in other states. Trump's ballot qualifications have been challenged in more than a dozen states, and he was removed from the ballot in Maine on the same argument.